Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna let you know like how you can control LED with the help of Python, like programming and controlling the LED on the Raspberry Pi 4. So let's just start with the connection. You can see I have connected the LED like this in the breadboard. Now I'll just take one wire and put it on the ground. The ground is like you can see the sixth number on the sixth. uh, that is one two three, this is the sixth one, ground, and this is the shorter leg. Where's my pen? Yeah, this is the shorter leg. I'll just put in on the shorter leg. You can see my diagram, I think. Oh sorry, display design. Then another, this is the 5 voltage. No, before that I need to use like resistor. So I'll just plug the resistor here. You can clearly see. So I'll just do like this. We can see the resistor also. Now I'll just plug one in one of the voltage, like 5 voltage. Yeah, the corner one, and just plug this into the here. So you can see like how the connection, like I have told you in the previous video about the connection also. So yeah, this is the way of doing the connection, and this is for the Raspberry Pi. If you can like see, this is for the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so these are the connections. So let's just start with the coding part. So I'm just opening my Sublime Text. So I'll say from GPIO0 import LED, and now I'll say I'm importing LED from GPI0, then I say LED small LED comma bracket 17. So here I'm telling I want to use the LED 17 GPIO pin. See, let me show you on the diagram. This is the 17, you can see this is the 17 GPIO 17th pin. Don't go with these numbers, go with this number. This is the GPIO 17. So I'm saying I want to use GPIO pin 17, so I'm saying GPIO 17. Then I say LED dot, I'll pass a function call on, and I'll just close the bracket, and I'll just save it on the desktop only. uh mm, LED, no, mm, what should I save it, like pi LED dot pi. Okay, on the desktop, like I've saved it. So let's just close, and now I have to send it to the Raspberry Pi 4. So for that I'll use WinSCP. I've told you before also. So I'll just log in here. I have already mentioned like Pi is the username and Raspberry is the password. And this is your like your the one I have told you like to log in the way, and it's logging in. Okay, it's now logged in. So I'll go to Python. So I'll just copy it here like, okay. So it's being copied. So now I have to run it. So for that I'll go to Putty, and I'll say Raspberry Pi open, login as Pi, password Raspberry. Okay, I'm here. So I'll just go to cd Python because all my files are in Python. Sorry, it's capital. Yeah. So now let me just clear the screen. Now I'll do ls. So you can see like this is the file first program.py and pyled.py. So let's just plug this 5 voltage. No, let me just see. 17th is the number 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from the left hand side, the sixth pin, I have to plug in the voltage. If you can like see, let me just, yeah, I have to plug in on the sixth one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me just count it. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, sixth one. I have to plug in sixth one. So you can see that, but it's not on because I've told you wherever 5 volt is written, the power is being supplied, and where only GPIO is written, so the power is not being supplied. So I have to control it. So I'll just run the Python program Python 3 pi led.py. Okay, it's not getting on. So can anybody tell me why it's not being on? It's actually like let me tell you, the program is running so fast, like it's just on off, like it's like on off. So you eyes can't see it, just on off, and your program just end. Like you can let me open the program. So where's the program? Uh, yeah, yeah. So let's open it. So it's like it's importing, it's setting, and it's letting on, and the program ends because I haven't said okay, let the LED be on. Just the Python program and it's just like and it's like just getting off. So what I'll do, I'll say I'll so how what should I do to make it LED dot on running? Like it should run and run and run. It doesn't end the program. So I will like introduce a while loop. So I'll say while true. Now I'll just save it. So you can edit it directly from here also. Like after the you have like copied file. Now if I run it, same thing. See, it's on. So that's the way because the program is not ending. Now as soon as just I end the program, see, it's not. Again I run it, and again it will work. So that's the whole setup of LED. Now if you want to make it off, this is also a tricky one. Let me off the here. Okay. So if you want to make it off, so you will do LED dot off, and you save it, and it will in the while loop it will like on off on off on off. Okay. So just run the program again. See, it's on off, but now you say, oh, okay, it's not like it's not switching off. It's just on state. It's switching off, but our eyes can't see. It's like this only on off on off on off on off on off on off on off. So our eyes can't determine whether it's on or whether it's off or not. It's just on looks like on the on state, but in real it's on off on off on off. But in real it's on off on off. But as I see it's like on like single click. So what we'll do here? Okay. So first just end the program. I should say. Yeah, clear it the screen. Yeah. So we'll say so we'll say we'll import time. So we'll give it some time from time import sleep. So here what we'll do on, then we'll say sleep, then we'll make it sleep for 1 second. So for once we are making it sleep because on, then it will sleep for 1 second, then we'll say sleep and we'll say 1 second. Okay, so it should work like on, it will on, then it will sleep on the on state, then it will off, then on the off state for 1 second, and we'll save it. Now we'll again run that the program. See, now it's like showing us okay, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. So let me just end the program and show you some more things. So what else can we do? We can make it like little bit faster. We'll say 0.5 and it's also 0.5. Save it and we'll just run it. It's little bit faster. I feel as the number will make keep making it small and it will work faster and faster. So let me just make it 0.2. or maybe 1, 0.1, and just save it. And now end the whole program. Now again run it. See, it's very fast. You can see it like it's on off, on off, on off. We can see like it's very fast, but we have to introduce sleep. Okay, so let's do some other stuff of coding. So we want to make something like looks for real. We'll say LED dot on 0.1, LED dot 0 point sleep, and we'll say LED dot on, make it 5. I wanna look it like very much classy. You'll see what I'm saying. LED dot off, then LED dot on, then again sleep 0.5, then LED dot off, then sleep 2 seconds. So it's like on, off, then off for 2 seconds. Like it's like tick, 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 tick. Like it's a design pattern, like kind of design, not really a design, but yeah, it looks cool. We'll just close this program and again run it. Off, then again on, off, on, off, off, on, off, on, off, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. So in this we can print also whenever LED is on or LED is off. So we'll say print LED is on, and we'll say sleep 2 seconds. Then we'll say LED of off, and we'll say sleep 2 seconds, and we'll let delete these things. Yeah. So after LED dot off, like we'll say print LED is off, and we'll save it. And now we'll just run it. So you will see it will print also for every time it will on or off. Okay, LED is on. You can see my LED is off, not showing off. Then LED is on. LED, like it's running like this only. It's just normal program. You can see it. There's nothing much. On, off, on, off. So yeah, this was like the for the LED. In next tutorial, we'll learn how to control buttons. Then we'll learn controlling buttons. So we after that we can use like controlling our LED also. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you liking it, please subscribe it.